Hey, what's up YouTube? I am fixing my K&N air filter, installing I should say. And as I was getting in here, you can see where I have rubbed off tons of grease, but my engine bay is filthy. I'm thinking it's clean. I hadn't popped the hood in a while. You know, oil change, I take it to the guys, have them have it done. I don't know if that is going to come up. There is grossness everywhere. Look at this. Guys, that's disgusting, right? I hope that is coming through live and in color, because that is terrible. So I am gonna do an engine bay cleaning video, and so this will be a good before for y'all. If you want to see the K&N video, I'll put a link below, or you can just follow my channel, subscribe. But man, she is ugly. This is gonna be a good before, so you guys can see a filthy engine and what I'm gonna try to do to get it clean. Yeah, man. All right.